Yeah, today I'm going to show you this 3D curved tempered glass screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra from AACL. By the way, I got this set for free from the seller to show you how this works, but it's still my honest opinion, and I'm going to show you everything live here so you can judge on your own. Has of course 9H tempered glass. It's ultra thin, ultra clear, supposed to be easy to install. And we get in the set everything what we need. You can see definitely a lot of stuff here. Cleaning wipe, cleaning towel, dust removing sticker, installation guide, tip to change the settings for the fingerprint, 2 screen protectors, and this frame for easy application, and the squeegee. And so of course we want to give it a nice cleaning here. First with the wet wipe, then with the dry towel, and then removing the last dust with this sticker here. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Then we apply this frame here. I think it's symmetric, but I'm using the S23 description on top. Then taking out one of the protectors, just holding it on the side, gently removing. Now the protector, make sure that the side where you remove the protection is facing the phone. And now we align it here, and I think the best is on the left side where we have the camera opening. That's the most important part. Pushing it against the top here and just let it pretty much fall down. I think the frame has nicely aligned it. Do we have to push it down? Yeah, push it down along the edges here to make sure that it's nicely secured. Now can we lift off the frame? Yeah, absolutely no problem. Now highly recommended to use the edge here of this squeegee to really push the screen protector down to the fingerprint area. You can see nicely black here. That's very important, otherwise the fingerprint sensor could not work perfectly. Now in the display setting we want to activate the higher touch sensitivity, also activate the always on display, and remove old fingerprints which you have registered and register new ones. And you shouldn't have any problems then to unlock. Yeah, absolutely love this screen protector. I've been using a TPU film for a couple of years and it was always very difficult to swipe, had much more resistance. Display was not so clear. Definitely huge upgrade to a TPU film. Everything much nicer to see, everything much clearer, and the application was so easy. I'm super impressed. I've checked everything in detail, how the screen protector is aligned, and I couldn't find any imperfections. It's absolutely perfectly aligned, especially also here in the camera area. And there are zero bubbles, really zero bubbles. Didn't have to use the squeegee, just put it on the screen, and from the beginning there were zero bubbles to see. The only thing where I'm still struggling a little bit is the fingerprint recognition. That was definitely easier with the TPU film. Like always with H9 tempered glass, always a little bit more difficult unfortunately. But on the other hand, you have the much nicer screen, much more beautiful, much easier to use swiping and everything. And so you have to decide on your own what's best for you. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video so you can check it out and order a set for you if you like. I think this application system definitely works. One of the easiest things I've ever seen. AACL, definitely not a bad thing. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this screen protector, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.